Assalamu alaikum, Early Standard English A by Cantab publisher. And remember that all the books of Cantab are approved by Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board. And our slogan is One Curriculum, One Nation. And look at there. Yes, today's topic is letter H, and by the end of the lesson the students will be able to identify small h, its sound, action and vocabulary. So let's start by introducing the vocabulary with the help of a story. Students, look at here. He is Heather. He is Heather. And one day what happened? The school was having a sports day. Do you have a sports day in your school? And do you like to run? Good. Well, the school was having a sports day and some children were in the rabbit race. Some of them were in the horse race. They had to run like a horse. And some of them were in the hen race. They had to run like a hen. Okay. Some students held one hand to form teams, and everyone was dressed up in different colorful hats. Students were wearing different hats, and it was a very hot day, and by the time they got to the end they were all huffing and saying sound. Now what you can do, you can reinforce the vocabulary like this. Students, look at here. What is this? Hen. Hen. And what is this? A horse. Horse. And what is this? A hat. A hat. Good. And what is this? A hanger, and we use it to hang clothes. Good. And look at here. What is this? A house. A hook. A house and a hook. Now can you please focus on all the names and tell me that what is the beginning sound of all of these names? Look at here. Hen, hat, horse. This is sound, and this is the sound of letter H, and here comes letter H. Letter H says hanger. Letter H says horse, and letter H says hen. Now what you can do, you can paste the relevant and few irrelevant picture around this letter H, and you can invite the student to come and to match letter H with the concerned picture. After this you can write letters here, and you can invite the student to come and to encircle letter H. And don't forget to sing the song of letter H. Rabbits likes to hope. Hope, hope, hope. Rabbits like to hope. Hope, hope, hope. With you have to pretend that you were out of breath. Like this. Then you can invite them for different kind of activities. For example, you can give them Play-Doh, and you can ask student to make a hook out of it, or they can even make a coil and turn it into letter H like this, like I am doing. And while working on the Play-Doh, they can make the sound of letter H like this. I can put it here like this. Now I have to use another coil like this, and here goes letter H with the help of Play-Doh. Then what you can do, you can give them different chart papers and you can help them to cut out a big hat out of that very chart. The other group can go for the sand tray practice. You have to tell them how to write letter H in the air like this, H, and they can practice writing letter H in the sand tray, on the sand tray. You can have them in the ground and you can have a rabbit race and you can ask them to hop like a rabbit. You can arrange a race among the students. We recommend you to kindly spend at least 4 to 5 periods for this very topic, and after having the recognition of the vocabulary, of the initial sound of the letter, you have to invite them for practicing of writing and tracing letter H, firstly in their books and then in their notebooks. Thank you very much.